Very good morning. This is Jagan Mantha, author of Will Skill Chill Clues for Overcoming Your Transition Blues. In the lockdown, I'm continuing to do daily videos because lockdown is a situation where it can be seen as an unprecedented situation by many people. Some people may take it as business as usual. Those of us who have more habituated to working from home, uh, they may not face as much problem, but there are people who probably need to go out as much as I mean they are used to going out a lot during their work. They will be obviously finding a lot of problem. So I know as the lockdown is extended, I'm continuing to do very short tidbits. So I just want to take a minute to connect the three pieces because will, skill, chill are not simply about three random words that I wrote. I My intention was when we are in a new change or a new transition situation which is somewhat unprecedented, we need to be able to look at all the three aspects, which is will, skill, and chill, and also the interconnections. So while I try to show some interconnections, what is more important for people to see is figure out their own interconnections, because uh, basically will, skill, chill is nothing but an extension of a change or transformation model that we find in many places. Basically we call it as doing, having, and being. Doing, having, and being as like a continuous circle. That's what we find in many of the change and transformation models. I simply try to extend that model so that it is much more relatable. So doing, I just linked it with the will, the willingness that we can actually bring forth to any situation, particularly the uncomfortable situations. That's where doing is linked with willingness or will. Whereas having, we all want to have results, new results, or a better state from wherever we are right now. So I simply map having with skills, whereas over 40% of my book is to do with being as in we are actually human beings. It's all said we are human beings, but at the same time the being is what is considered as some of the most difficult aspects to get. So in the last 20 years, as I have gone through different kinds of life as well as career challenging situations, I whatever I have understood that I try to write it in a way which is called as chill. Chill as in not in having a gala time. Chill as in being able to just be with whatever challenging situation we may be facing. So I map this whole being aspect with actually chill. But the point is that chill in turn again connects to will in turn connects to skill, and skill connects to chill. So it's a holistic circle that can connect, but it's not about what I am actually telling you. It's about, it's the whole thing is written in such a way that you can find your own interconnections, how one thing actually supports another in a situation that you are placed in. That has been my whole focus, because inherently transitions are navigating through uncertain territories, and right now we are in one such territory, and we may have many such territories ahead of us. But then what I have taken time in the last 2 years as articulating these ideas, not making them very complex. It's, in fact, I tried a lot to make them simpler, to relate them very easily with the help of Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood examples, as well as little bit from the Ramayana and Mahabharata shares, as well as my own personal experiences, which I try to kind of mash it up so that I present it, so that you can weave in your own experiences of how these three discrete but interconnected elements can really matter to you. Thank you very much. Jagan Mantha, lifebuoyant.com.